Hey, what's up, BTT holder, BitTorrent, and this does very badly falls down. What's my prediction? What's my opinion? And what's the new target of BitTorrent? Everything in this video is going very special for BTT holder. But this time you can see here the BTT is starting moving up. My friends, this time the crypto market especially starting moving up. And the first days they in the first 20 or 24 hours they very badly falls down. You can see here every crypto currency is very badly falls down, my friend. So let's see to what's going on in upcoming days, my friend. But this time first of all I do a BTT prediction. First of all, this is very important to upcoming days, they falls down or they gone up. So kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type informative video. If you keep touch with us, then I guide you every time, my friend. Then you cannot lose. You be safe from any more loss if you subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. Please subscribe, please, I request you, my friend. This time if you can see here the last 7 days are already open in the chart, so therefore I do a prediction of 7 days chart, my friend. This time you can see here minus 1.15% they fails down in the last 7 days. If they fails down, then what you do, sell, hold or buy. Exactly, this is very important, so I told you, my friend. I have 3 year experience, therefore I share you this, my friend. This time if you can see here, my friend, I draw a chart and then we understand to this is selling time or holding time. First of all, I draw a chart, my friend. You can see here after a very bad falls they can take again jump, my friend, and after a jump they fails down again, and after this jump I hope fails they I hope going up, my friend. I do this formula, I use this formula in every capital market, and this time also I use in BTT. You can see here, my friend, this time the BTT bad falls time. You can see here this point as the BTT falls, at this point they take a very high jump, my friend. This is the circulation, this is the circulation, my friend. Every coin if they're moving at this circulation like a snake moving, my friend. After a very high jump they fails down, and after a fails down they take a very high jump. So this circulation, my friend, continuously and every crypto continuously moving up. So my friend, I hope you can see here after a very bad falls, after they moving up and this circulation, then I hope the good time is coming soon and they hit the target as, my friend, 0.1 US dollar. I hope they hit 0.1 US dollar at the in upcoming 7 days, exactly at the last of month. I hope they give you a very good profit, they make you millionaire. So BTT, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friends. Please understand to in upcoming days they're moving up. If you want to, if you have any plan, my opinion is that if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time to you buy it. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So BTT holder, understand to this is holding time. Don't sell, everyone, please understand, don't sell it, because you can see here they already started. I told you to in upcoming days they're moving up. I told you today going up. So this time you can see here plus 0.58% they're moving up. So congratulations everyone, they're starting moving up, and I hope at the end of month they cross it 1 US dollar, 0.1 US dollar, and they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, BTT holder. Please like this video if you know this type more informative video. Subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe this channel for and press bell icon for videos notification.